Okay.
Impressive.
You put this back and then
Future's bright.
that. That might work.
You're going away for a long time. Why do you want to make us drag
Now
your sister?
I gotta restart.
You don't talk to my sister, okay? She raised a good boy, you leave him be.
PK has nothing to do with us.
Put your left leg in, put your left leg out, put your left leg in, and you shake it all about. You do the Cody pokey and you turn yourself around.
I got one. Is that on video?
It sure is.
Go towards Cody.
You about got it?
We gotta pull these up. Okay, this is never gonna work.
I'm glad you're coming to your senses. Why don't you just walk behind the chair right here and do it. Take them off and start.